Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, you're probably staring at your Netflix screen thinking, what language is this? Don't worry. It's super common, especially if you've traveled, shared a device, or just accidentally changed settings. Today, we're diving into how to change the language on Netflix in 2025, step by step. This guide works for most devices like your phone, computer, or smart TV, so let's get you watching in your preferred language ASAP. First things first, open the Netflix app or head to netflix.com on your browser. If you're on a mobile device, make sure you're logged in. Tap that profile icon in the top right corner. Once you're in, look for the menu. It's usually 3 lines or a gear icon for settings. Go ahead and click that. Now, scroll down until you see Language or App Language options. Netflix has made this pretty straightforward in 2025, with a dedicated section for preferences. Select Manage Profiles. If you need to change it for a specific profile, then hit Language and Subtitles. Here, you'll see a list of available languages: English, Spanish, French, you name it. Pick the one you want and confirm the change. Boom! Your interface should switch right away. If you're on a web browser, it's similar. Log in. Click the drop-down next to your profile picture, go to Account, Settings, and find the language section under Preferences. For smart TVs, use your remote to navigate to the Settings menu. It's often under System or App Settings. Remember, changes might take a second to apply, so give it a moment. One quick tip. If the language doesn't change, double-check your device's language settings, as Netflix pulls from there sometimes. Also, if you're in a region with restrictions, you might need a VPN, but that's a topic for another video. There you have it. Changing Netflix language is easier than you think. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.